Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't noticed, I've been MIA for a little bit, but that's because I've been on vacation. I finally got to go on my dream vacation to Japan, so I've been gone for 2 weeks and I got back yesterday. Unfortunately, I just didn't have time because I had to go to work last night, so I never made it to CVS, and I had an opportunity to grab some OT today, and I am a whore for overtime because who doesn't like money? So and overtime is very rare. Well, sometimes I can get it, sometimes, well, when my boss is on vacation I can get overtime, but it's a rare opportunity for my boss to actually offer me overtime, so I gotta get it when I can. So yeah, so I might be a day late depending on how things go tomorrow, so I might just be a day late on everything this week, and I still have a whole bunch to do to catch up on from vacation. My coworkers, they're like, why didn't you take a day off and to like get settled in and everything? And I'm like, that means I have to waste another day of vacation, and I can just spread it out throughout the week and get all the rest of my errands done and everything throughout the week. So yeah, maybe I'll put you, I took a whole bunch of pictures, and if you guys are interested, I can put them together in a little video and show you what I did on vacation if you guys want. But otherwise, yeah, so had super fun, and then I came back to this cold weather over there. It was like, besides being really humid, it was perfect weather all day, every day. I never wore my jacket once. So, well, I did when I had to like travel and stuff because it was just too much of a hassle to pack, but besides that, didn't wear it. So then I come back to this icky weather. It's like 20 degrees colder here every day, like yesterday and today. So I'm like, oh, I need my jacket back. Unfortunately, I was hoping to come back to the same kind of weather, but it is what it is. Oh well. Anyway, now that I'm done rambling, guys, we are outside CVS. There's some great deals we're gonna do. There is a printable breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know if you miss me. Just kidding. I know y'all did. Anyway, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Right now, Listerine products are buy two, get $5 in extra bucks. The best way to do this deal is to grab the children's or these 3-pack of like the mouth strips. They're $5.99, so grabbing 2 will be $11.98. We have a $1 digital coupon, and then I have a 4 off of 12, and $11.98 is within the 98% rule, so I'll be good to use that. So I'll be left to pay $6.98 at the register, get the $5 extra buck back for buying 2, making them $1.98 for both. Now, if you need the alcohol-free, double check your store for these hang tags. There's a pretty decent deal on Scope products if it's mouthwash you like. So they are part of a promotion, buy 2, get $4 in extra bucks, and they're on sale for $4.99. So you're going to grab a total of 4 for this deal. The limit is 2 per this week for this deal. So you're able to grab this deal twice. So grabbing 4 at the $4.99 price will be $19.98, 96 cents. And then we have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon on the CVS app, and then a $2 off of 2 digital coupon on the Coupons 24 app. And then I also have a $4 off of 20 CRTs. Since we're above that 98% rule, it will work. We'll be left to pay $11.96 at the register. Then we'll get $8 in extra bucks since we're doing this deal twice, making all 4 of them just $3.96, so less than $1 each. So there's a really good deal on Nexus. And it is this trial size advanced dry spray shampoo. Someone was nice enough to leave the empty bottle here for me so I can at least scan it. There's literally nothing in there, but it does attach, well, they're $5.79 each, and it does attach to the $10 off of 2 digital coupon. And on the website it says that it is part of the spend 30 actually. Unfortunately, yeah, empty bottle. Someone is so rude. I know occasionally they'll attach just like randomly. So every time I see like newer Nexus coupons, sometimes I'll come over here and scan them. Sometimes I won't. So I scanned a few of these and they didn't work, but this doesn't work either. But this one did. Garnier Fructis is on promotion. Buy two, get $2 in extra bucks. And according to the tag, this is separate from the Fructis deal. So the whole blends and Fructis are different deals, I believe. Anyway, they are two for $8. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $5. Get the $2 extra buck, making them $1.50 a bottle. Or you can grab the Fructis, same kind of deal, two for $8. Buy two, get $2 in extra bucks. These ones have a $4 digital coupon, so we'll pay $4 for the Fructis. Get the $2 extra bucks back for buying two, making them $1 per bottle. Check your store for this clearance mirror. It's on 75% off for $5.62. So there's really good savings on Axe deodorant this week. It is on the Axe spray or the fine fragrance sticks. Well, it's on the fine fragrance too, but the cheaper ones that are $6.99 don't qualify, so don't grab those. But these the spray is $7.29, so one F half off, one at 50%, or one at half off, one at full price will be $10.93. We have a $5 digital coupon, so we'll be left to pay $5.93. Then we'll take our receipt, submit it to Ibotta. We have 75 cents on each can. And then for buying two, we have a $1 bonus. We'll get the $2 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $1.43 for both. Or if you prefer the sticks, they are $7.79 at my store. So one at full price, one at half off will be $11.68. Use that $5 digital coupon and pay $6.68 at the register. Then we'll get the $2 extra buck for buying two products, making them $4.68 for both. So we have phenomenal savings on Nivea men's or women's body wash. The men's is a little cheaper, but they are buy two, get $7 in extra bucks. The men's are $5.99, so grabbing two will be $11.98. We don't have any digital coupons, so we'll pay that at the register. Then we'll take a receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where we have $1 back on each bottle, and we'll get the $7 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $2.98 for both. Or if you prefer the women's, it's just $1 more, so you'll add $1 per bottle, depending if you grab one women's or and one men's or whatever. However you want to do this deal, you'll just grab two. So if you grab two women's instead of the men's, your total will be $4.98 for both instead of the $2.98. We do have a separate Ibotta rebate for the women's if you prefer to grab those. Dial hand wash is buy one get one 40% off and buy two get $3 in extra bucks. They are $3.59 at my store, so one at full price, one at 40% off will be $5.74. We don't have any digital coupons that I know of, so we'll pay that at the register and then we'll take our receipt and submit it to Ibotta. We have a 50-cent rebate. It is a limit of one, and then we'll get the $3 extra buck for buying the two products, making them $2.24 for both. Right now, there's a really good deal on Method hand soap. They are buy one get one 50% off, buy two get $2 in extra bucks. So you're gonna open up Swag Bucks and you're gonna look for this offer, and you're gonna scroll down, and you're gonna find which ones your store has in stock to do this deal with. And it's not on all varieties, I believe, but so grabbing them will be $7.48. The two, whatever two you find that will work for this deal. $7.48 for both, going on the $4.99 price. We'll get the 500 Swag Bucks for buying two, and then we'll get a $2 extra buck, making them 48 cents for both. So L'Oreal facial care is on promotion. Buy one, any one, get $5 in extra bucks. So the cheapest item my store has is this daily cream cleanser for $9.69. We'll buy that, pay that at the register, get the $5 extra buck, making it $4.69. Now, if you want to grab an item that's over $25, I believe, I think we have a 5 off of 25 CRT. So sometimes not all the products work for specific deals. So if you really like a specific product, you can grab like $10 worth of savings off of it if it's something that you like. Nivea body wash is on promotion. Spend $20, get $10 in extra bucks. The cheapest options are the ones that are $6.99 at my store, so you'll grab 3 of them. 3 of them will total you $20.97. We don't have any digital coupons or any other paper coupons that I know of, so you'll pay that at the register. You'll take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where we have $1.50 on each bottle, so we'll get that $1.50 times 3, and the $10 extra buck for spending the $20, making them $6.43 or 47 cents for all 3 of them. A super amazing deal this week is on gift cards. So they are on select ones. When you spend $100, you'll get $20. So a super popular one is Olive Garden. You have Olive Garden around you, or if you plan on using Southwest for vacation this year, Wayfair is another popular one. Or if you prefer like the multiple use ones, we have this one or the zillion ones. But if you are doing these ones, just be aware you do get an gift card. It's not a physical gift card, so they'll email you a gift card to use. So just be cautious if this is the way you do it. Ajax dish soap is on promotion. Buy 2, get $2 in extra bucks, and they're on sale for $2.79. So you'll grab 2 of them. Your total will be $5.58. Now we have a $1 digital coupon, and usually we have printable coupons, but I didn't print them and I don't need this, so I'm not going to grab it. And plus there's only 1 left at my store, but grabbing 2 and then using the $1 digital coupon, you'll pay $4.58 at the register. Get the $2 extra buck for buying the 2, making them $2.58 for both. Let's put together this spend $30, get $10 in extra bucks. So I had to tweak the deal a little bit because I was hoping to grab 2 of these, but my store only has 1. So I don't know how I'm going to do this deal, but they are 20% off. It's this Miss Myers Rainwater Specific Scent. They're $8.59 at my store, so they're 20% off. So they will ring in at $6.87. Then we're gonna grab a small Tide Pods, large Tide Pods for $13.49, and a small Tide Liquid for $5.49. These 4 products will total you $31.35. We have a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Pods, a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid, a $3 digital coupon for the larger Tide Pods, and then no coupon for that one. So you'll be left to pay $25.35 at the register. Then we'll take a receipt and submit it to Swagbucks, where when buying 1, we only have $1.50, but when you buy 2, it was $4. That's kind of why I wanted to buy 2. And then on checkout 51, we also have $1.50. And then we'll get the $10 extra buck for spending the $30, making them $12.35 for all 4 products. So the way I originally was going to do this deal is grab these 4 products with the second having 2 of these. My total will have been $32.72, $1.50 digital coupon, $3.50 or $3 digital coupon. So that means we would pay $28.22 at the register, get the $10 extra buck, and then submit to checkout 51 $1.50 on each box, and then 400 swag bucks for buying 2. It would have made all 4 of them, if my store had that 4th one, $11.22. So the first product you're going to grab is either a Tide Pods or a Tide Liquid for $5.49. Then you're going to come grab a Charmin toilet paper that's on sale for $9.99. Then you're going to come grab a Downy Rinse and Refresh for $6.99. And then again, fabric softener for $6.99. These 4 products will be what you're grabbing. Your total will be $29.46. So we're just barely over that 98% rule. So that's $29.40. So we're 6 pennies over. We have a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Pods or Liquid, whatever you grabbed, $2 digital coupon for the Downy, a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin, and then on coupons 24, we have a $1.50 for the Gain Softener. So that means we'll be left to pay $23.46 at the register, get the $10 extra buck, making them $13.46 for all 4. All right, y'all, this is everything I am gonna grab today. Let's go check out. All right, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went okay, but I messed up grabbing the wrong products. Remember, before we go over my receipt, remember how I told you guys with this method stuff to be careful on what you're grabbing? Yeah, so we'll get into that. But if you hear all the honking, there is a protest going on like right over there. So there's always protests where I live. It's obnoxious. Anyway, I grabbed everything that I showed you guys in the cart. So all the fun stuff. And then for digital coupons, we had the $5 for the Axe. We had the $2 for the Downy, the $1.50 for the Tithe, the $1 for the Listerine, the $1 for the Charmin, the $1.50 manufacturer coupon. It looks like that's how Checkout 51. The Coupons 24 app is going now instead of being below and looking kind of like a form of payment, I'm assuming. I've been gone for like 2 weeks, guys, so who knows. That's the only coupon that I can figure out that I'm supposed to have. So, or that should be there. And then I had the 4 off of 12 Listerine, and I rolled a whole bunch of extra bucks. So my subtotal was $17.58. Now, I took my receipt and submitted it to Swagbucks, and they're like, can't find anything. And I'm like, what the F? So I took better pictures, and they're like, can't find anything. So I hit like the submit to customer service. And then I went back and I looked, because I was like, I even like made sure that like the name was like the name of one of the things. Did I realize that this scent is for a gel hand lotion, or not lotion, hand wash? No. I even told you guys, read specifically, and I don't read specifically enough. So be careful. Some of them are for foaming hand soap, which is this. Some of them are for gel hand soap, which this is not it. So that's my bad. We all make mistakes, but I would like to blame it on me being very tired from doing overtime on my first day back and being tired from vacation and everything. But that's not an excuse. I should just be more cautious about what I'm grabbing. I scanned a different one into the Swagbucks app, and I almost grabbed it. I think it was like Crisp Linen or Crisp Waters or something. And I was like, no, that sounds boring. This one sounds a little better, and it's listed there. Yeah, it's not listed. I didn't finish reading the line. I got too excited, and yeah. Anyway, so maybe Swagbucks will be, customer service will be like, oh yeah, cool, we'll give you the 500 Swagbucks. But I highly doubt that. And then I submitted to Ibotta for the Axe body or deodorant. I'll get that back. But yeah. And then the 2%, whatever that is. I did use a gift card to pay, so I technically, this deal is technically like a money maker for me, if you want to put it that way. But it's only like I forget what Axe was on Ibotta. I'm a little tired now. I've been doing too much, and I still have to park my Jeep in my garage today. I just got too much going on, so my brain just is already done with everything, checked out for the day. So it is what it is, guys. I grabbed things I wanted. Like, I actually wanted to do the Miss Myers deal, but I put together that Charmin deal, and my grandma likes Charmin, so that'll be a nice surprise for her. So, and I actually really like these. I don't know if you guys remember, but I was surprised that they were sold still. I thought they stopped making these like forever ago, and I just like refound them a couple months ago or whatever. So I'm super excited about those. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.